take that back. You better take that back, okay? But you didn't like the fact that I could back that with the flick and a swish and I call it a day. 'Cause I wanna be, say what's it gonna be, girl, what you wanna be? Come on, say it, shit, think I wanna be a baller. So I walk my walk, now I've said it. If these walls could talk, I would let it. I leave you just for the aesthetic. These thoughts won't stop till I get it. Now my bedroom, a stadium. You know me, we're making it. If you're coming for the screen, I'll say yeah. Can you stop that? Feet apart, keep your eye on the target. Elbows in with the touch of a scarlet. Follow through, it's your end at the bargain. Think like an artist. Cause I wanna be a baller. You can laugh if you want to. 我实在是不敢偷了 Cause I can't afford to 想进步就是辛苦寻找幸福所以一步一步一步地来不嫉妒如果迷路一定记住这是艺术的一步一步一部分 I gotta call you from sound on Hope he doesn't think I'm a fluke He can count on me Cause I'm about to make a hit that I'm proud of About to shoot from the ground up So what's a girl to do with her degree in economics? I don't really get the logic What are options? My socks in Ableton and I'm locked in Feet apart, keep your eye on the target Elbows in with a touch of a scarlet Follow through, it's your end at the bargain Watch you spin you the fuck out of college I'm beginning to feel a catharsis Inner critic, no longer the harshest I'm doing it, oh, and starting to think like an artist Say it again, what you scared of? You don't wanna know the truth You don't wanna know the truth You don't wanna know the truth Never really liked the Sing it from your chest Never really liked the spotlight I wanna take it back Gonna take it back, okay Don't you know I don't have what it takes I'ma step back, fade away Why'd you egg me on like that? You knew I could never be a baller I should get a white color So I do Cause when it hurts my mom, it hurts me too Shut up Wasn't even good at the violin Can't sing for shit, but I'm trying Do you ever forget what you tried? Shanty is so tight I can't be the only one This freedom's terrifying Say, do you feel it too? But it's okay Feet apart, it's okay Play the part, it's okay Play it smart Eyes on the target And that's it There's you and me and there's them There's you and me and there's them There's you and me and there's them There's you and me Do you get it? There's you and me and there's them There's you and me and there's them There's you and me Yeah, there's you and me There's you and me So there's just you and me We should ball like no one else can see Get the score, no referee They're rotten to the core I mean it's expectation galore But I couldn't want this more I wanna be varsity, all-star Think fast, play hard